So this is all the coconut meat I got from the 3 coconuts I'll be using today. I've washed, and the next step now will be to scrape the back of the coconut. So this is an example of a coconut meat that the back has been scraped thoroughly. So then I'll proceed to cut this in bits, just like what you have here. And the reason why I'm doing this is so that I can blend this in. So I'm done cutting all the coconut meat I have in smaller bits so that it will be easy to blend. So I've added water. So now proceed. Blending now. So I'm sieving it to get out the coconut milk from the shaft. So I'm sieving the milk again to remove all impurities. In the absence of a white nylon, I'm putting it in a white container. So I'm going to be pouring everything into this white container, and it will sit undisturbed for as long as it can, in order for the water, the oil, and the milk curds to separate. So this is our coconut milk. As you can see, it has separated from the water after keeping it in the freezer for more than a day. The milk curds have solidified and has been separated from the water. This is the water, and this is the milk curds that have been solidified. So I will just wait for this to dissolve. So I allowed the milk curds to dissolve, and then there you have it. The oil is on top, the topmost layer, while the milk curds are below. So what I'm going to do now is to separate the oil from the milk curds, and that is our cold pressed coconut oil.